Let's begin laying down on the earth with your feet together and your knees open. Bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your abdomen. Breathe slowly and deeply. And let there be a feeling of letting go. Like your body can truly be supported by the earth beneath you. As you drop a little bit deeper into Ujjayi Pranayama, that diaphragmatic breath, feel your body relaxing. Let's draw the knees in gently to your chest and just hug your legs. If you want to rock and roll a little bit side to side, that can feel good. Now take hold of your feet for happy baby. And same thing here, if you'd like to rock and roll a little bit side to side, please do. And when you're ready, you can simply release your feet to the floor and roll onto your side, coming up to a seated position. Let's bring the hands to Namaste. And then inhale, reach the arms all the way up to the light. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, fill the body with breath. Exhale, hands to the heart space. One more great big circle. And exhale, drawing the hands to Namaste. If you'd like, you can place your palms directly on your chest and feel the heart. Drop in a little deeper to how you feel today. Let's release the hands, take a great big side stretch. Let that feel good. And when you're ready, simply carry it up and over to the other side. We'll come all the way up and gently turn to the side, preparing on your hands and knees for cat and cow. Hands are shoulder width apart, knees are hips distance. We inhale, look up. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, heart to the sky. Exhale, chin towards your chest, belly lifts. One more, inhaling. And this time we move to downward facing dog. You can bend one knee and then the other. Enjoy that stretch. And take your time walking your feet forward into an easy forward fold. As you're ready, please interlace your fingers behind your low back and guide your arms all the way overhead. Hands release down to your blocks. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to fold. Let's rise with the power of the inhalation, uniting the palms, bringing the hands to your heart. Inhale, reach the arms all the way overhead. Exhale, forward fold, nose towards your knees. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to soften. Rise with the inhalation. Hands to the heart. We'll do this a few more times. As you inhale, get long. As you exhale, soften. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale to fold. We rise with the power of the inhalation. This is called Ardha Surya Namaskar. Half sun salutation. The legs are strong and stable as the upper body moves freely. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale and fold. Inhale to rise, circling the arms. Hands to Namaste. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, elongate one more time. Exhale and fold. Inhale to rise. Exhale. Beautiful. This time we take a little side stretch all the way over to one side and all the way over to the second side. Let it feel good. Come back to center. And now both arms will reach up and back for a big, beautiful back bend. Enjoy the sense of freedom as you open the chest. If you'd like to bring your hands to the back of your legs for a little bit of extra support, please do. We'll bring the hands to the heart now and rise. Lovely. If you're moving on to fitness, please enjoy. If your practice is complete, namaste.